After a long, tiring day, you walk into your bedroom, the one place that should feel calm and safe. But just as you settle on the bed, something crawls on your arm. You brush it off, once, then again, and there they are, tiny ants, right on your bed. Your room looks spotless, there's no food in sight, so why are ants here at all?
Ants don't wander into bedrooms by accident. They follow invisible signals, scents, warmth, and tiny traces of moisture. Oil stains on pillow covers, leftover hair serum, or sweet lotion aren't just harmless residues. To ants, they're like neon signs guiding them straight to your bed. Even storage boxes under the bed can become hotspots, dark, a little humid, and sometimes holding crumbs or scent traces from clothes. It's not dirt they're after, it's the comfort and signals we leave behind without realizing it. Most people only check the bed when they spot ants, but the real problem can be anywhere in the room. A few drops of tea on the study desk, a crumb under the dressing table, or traces of perfume in the wardrobe, these small spots silently guide ants across the room. Even damp towels, unwashed handkerchiefs, or tiny spills behind furniture create micro-habitats that ants love. The key: identify all these overlooked corners before the ants make themselves at home. Now that we know where ants come from, here's how to stop them. Start with the bed, place a hand towel on the pillow and wash it daily to remove hair oils and lotions. Clean every surface that collects moisture or fragrance, desks, dressing tables and wardrobes. A simple vinegar water mix breaks scent trails instantly. Control humidity and airflow, use silica gel packets or open windows. Remember, it's not just cleaning, it's removing all invisible invitations ants use to enter your room.
When panic strikes, most people spray perfume, phenyl, or air freshener, but that only masks the scent. The trail remains untouched, and ants return within hours. Even citrus or vinegar sprays, if not wiped properly, can attract moisture-loving ants instead of repelling them. The fix isn't fragrance, it's removal.
Before chemical sprays existed, people relied on nature to repel ants, and those remedies still work beautifully. Old households sprinkled rice flour mixed with turmeric near corners. Turmeric's curcumin masked scent trails while flour distracted ants. Some even used neem leaf ash. The earthy aroma made ants lose direction instantly. And small pouches of cloves or dried orange peels quietly guarded cupboards and bed drawers. But the story doesn't end there. Today, the same idea lives on in essential oils and houseplants. A few drops of lemongrass, peppermint, or eucalyptus oil on cotton balls tucked near bed corners or under the mattress keep ants away while leaving a soothing fragrance. And if your bedroom gets natural light, placing mint, lavender, or rosemary plants near the window does double duty. They refresh the air and subtly repel ants with their natural oils. The secret never changed, whether turmeric or lavender, nature's chemistry still speaks louder than any synthetic spray. These aren't just home tips, they're part science, part inherited wisdom. Turmeric, neem, and clove have proven insect-repelling properties. Peppermint and eucalyptus oils confuse ant scent trails. And plants like mint and lavender? They don't kill, they simply tell ants they're not welcome here. Now, let's balance tradition with something modern and easy. If you mop your bedroom floor or the wooden corners with a neem-based cleaner, you can erase invisible scent trails ants leave behind. One of my favorites is Presto Herbal Floor Cleaner, Neem. It's gentle, smells fresh, and helps deter ants naturally while keeping the space hygienic. You don't need to overuse it, just a capful in a mop bucket twice a week is enough to keep your floor clean and ant-free. I've linked it below if you'd like to check it out.
An ant-free bedroom is built on small, daily habits. No sugary lotions or food near the bed. Vacuum corners weekly. Ants love hidden crumbs. Change sheets often, especially during humid months. And tuck a camphor cube or dried lavender sachet under the bed. Old tricks that work quietly. If you notice fine sawdust near wooden joints or tiny holes around plug sockets, that's not just dust. It's a quiet sign of nesting, ants finding shelter inside warm wood or narrow crevice. They don't only move at night, they move when the room grows still, cool, or humid. That's why they seem to appear more when you finally rest. Once you remove the scent trails, fix the cracks, and keep the wood dry, their path fades naturally.
Ants aren't just random intruders, they follow your scent, warmth, and traces of moisture. Fix the cause, not just the crawl. Reclaim your peace, your comfort, your space. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed home fixes that actually work.